Hello friends, today we are diving deep into SQL injection. We are going to break down how it works, potential impacts of SQL injection, types of SQL injection. So let's start. SQL injection is a common web security that allows attacker to modify or retrieve data from SQL databases. By inserting specialized SQL statements into an entry field, attacker can execute commands that allow to retrieve data from database, delete sensitive data, modify admin access. Using a proper SQL command execution, attacker can spoof the identity of privileged user, make themselves admin to tamper existing data, modify or destroy server. SQL injection mostly occur over the internet by sending malicious SQL queries to an API server from website. Attacker can get the root access of machine through SQL injection. Attacker sends the malicious payload to the server to execute malicious SQL commands. So what are the types of SQL injection? First is in-band SQL injection. Attacker uses the same communication channel to launch the attack and gather results. This includes error-based SQL injection using error messages to learn about the database structure. Second type of SQL injection is blind SQL injection. Application does not return data to the attacker, but the attacker can infer information by observing the application's response time or whether a page loads correctly based on a true-false condition. Third type is out-of-band SQL injection. An attacker uses different communication channel to exfiltrate data, which is typically used when the server is too slow or unstable for inferential techniques. So, how to prevent it? Use least privileges. Ensure the database account used by the application has only the minimum permissions necessary to perform its required tasks. Validate and filter inputs. Use allow list to ensure that only expected input is accepted. Disable verbose error messages. Configure application to use generic error messages for end user. Use web application firewall. So web application firewall can help filter out malicious SQL queries by identifying suspicious patterns in incoming traffic. So this was all about the SQL injection types and how it works and how to prevent it. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel also. Thank you guys. Good day.